Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I was looking for a centerpiece for my dining room table when I came across this beautiful and rustic bouquet from RyddeligHome. I am in love with this centerpiece bouquet. I love its rustic charm, its many textures and colors, and how easy it is to arrange. I love that I can take it apart and put it back together with ease, and every arrangement I come up with looks beautiful. This arrangement is elegant, timeless, and has a touch of bold color. It brings charm and beauty to whatever room I put it in. It came very nicely packaged, and all I had to do was take it out of the box, fluff it up a little bit, and it was ready to display. The glass vase that it comes with has a beautiful design and an adorable rustic little bow to tie everything together. The soft and fluffy pieces that come with it just give it a comfy little vibe. I honestly have nothing negative to say about this bouquet. I love it in every room that I've put it in. So if you're looking for a beautiful centerpiece to add a little rustic charm to your living room, dining room, or bedroom, then you have found it in this beautiful bouquet from RyddeligHome.
And that's my point of view.